Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideaplex. If you're new here, this is your go-to channel for creative tools and tips to bring your ideas to life. And today, we're diving into Doratoon, an online animation platform that claims to be the ultimate solution for quick, easy, and stunning animated content. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or content creator, or just someone who loves dabbling in animation, this review is for you. Stick around, and I'll not only show you how Doratoon works, but also share what I loved. Doratoon offers the fastest AI-powered solution for creating professional PPTs and animations. Design high-quality, custom visuals in minutes, saving time and boosting efficiency. Doratoon is an AI-powered animation and video creation platform designed to help users easily create engaging and professional-looking animated videos. It offers a range of features such as pre-designed templates, AI tools for auto-generation, drag-and-drop customization, a large library of animations, music, and sound effects. Apply Doratoon videos on educational institutions to deliver memorable and impactful content. Meanwhile, add some fun to your educational environment. Help your students to get a deeper understanding of your lecture by highlighting the key concept with engaging animated videos. Whiteboard animation makes complex or abstract concepts understandable, and it helps students better absorb the information during the narrative. Wealthy ready-made templates, animated props, and royalty-free footage and music. Use Doratoon to create innovative videos to establish a more vital and lasting impression with the audience and support your diverse strategies in social media, marketing campaigns, and market research. Doratoon, a time and money-saving animation maker for business owners to promote business, engage customers, and improve internal communications with royalty-free materials. Create studio-quality videos online, no download and install, no technical skill needs. Create animation videos with Doratoon's quick and efficient toolkit for putting up a deeper impact. Advanced animation technology allows to change the action and movement path of the characters according to your requirements, making your animation more vivid and creative. Our voiceover tool makes text-to-speech conversion easier. Converting text into a globally spoken dialect will make your animated videos look more coherent. Utilize the intensively categorized assets available at Doratoon for your animation videos, from characters to props and templates, using relevant elements to help you make your video effective and attractive. Turn a boring PPT into an eye-catching animation video with Doratoon to bring your presentation into next level. Making animation video is as easy as making PPT. From the character to the text included in the animated video, everything should be designed in such a way that it can be understood by the diversity among users. The content delivered across the video should be comprehensive, which is why you need to design the video with the simplest and most effective way possible. Okay, enough talking. Let's see Doratoon in action. I'll show you how easy it is to create a quick explainer video. Let's start by picking a template. I'm going with this explainer video template because it's perfect for, let's say, introducing a new product. First up, let's talk about what Doratoon brings to the table. I was blown away by how feature-packed it is for an online tool. Doratoon's drag-and-drop editor is super intuitive. Even if you've never created a video before, the platform holds your hand every step of the way. Pick a template, edit some text, drag in a few characters, and voila, you've got yourself a video. They've got templates for everything: marketing campaigns, explainer videos, educational lessons, and even quirky birthday greetings. Need to impress a client or boss? Doratoon has you covered. Here's where things get interesting. Doratoon uses AI to speed things up. For example, there's an automatic lip sync feature for animated characters. Just add a voiceover, and the characters will move their mouths in sync. No manual tweaking required. Pretty neat, right? And of course, exporting is a breeze. You can download your video in high resolution or share it directly to platforms like YouTube. If you're working with a team, Doratoon lets you collaborate in real time. Share your project, get feedback, and make edits, all without endless back and forth emails. It's all there, and these assets really help bring your stories to life. Produce impressive animated explainer videos to communicate better, earn your viewers' trust, and grow your target audience. Animations are diverse and bring in the humor and fun in any visual content for easy interpretation. It simplifies complicated issues and illustrates a hard-to-understand product or service. Generate backlinks, create social media buzz, and increase website traffic using engaging animated explainer videos. Appear on the first pages of search engines and attract more inbound links. Take advantage of illustrations, including free stock footage and images, to give powerful presentations. Illustrations effectively provide visual stories of concepts, actions, and information you want to convey. That helps highlight your originality, provide a human touch, and offer comic relief. Take advantage of illustrations, including free stock footage and images, to give powerful presentations. Illustrations effectively provide visual stories of concepts, actions, and information you want to convey. That helps highlight your originality, provide a human touch, and offer comic relief. Ensure your animated explainer video is easily found by giving it a topic reflecting your client's problems. Research your target audience and decide on the video format depending on your target demography and social media platform. Create productive and impactful YouTube videos to bring out the uniqueness of your ideas. Optimizing your content can help it rank higher on YouTube. When you upload a video, giving it a good title and description is another way to make your video more visible. Also, make sure to use relevant tags that help group your videos into multiple relevant categories. Let's talk pricing. Doratoon offers a free plan, which is great for trying things out. But if you want access to the full library and higher quality exports, you'll need a subscription. Honestly, for what you're getting, it's a pretty good deal, especially compared to other animation tools out there. So, is Doratoon worth it? I'd say yes, especially if you're a beginner or someone who needs professional-looking animations fast. It's easy to use, packed with features, and fun to work with. Advanced users might want something more customizable, but for most people, Doratoon is a game changer. That's it for today's review. What do you think of Doratoon? Have you tried it, or are you planning to? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ideaplex. Until next time, keep creating and keep inspiring. See you soon.